Greetings. This is a custom order going off to Canada, made in black micarta with black liners, thumb stud opening, my logo blade, and emblem on the other side. Matches the emblem on the knife. This is a compact, reverse built compact layer for the right hand person, right? And on the blade layer, there's the awl and file, scissors, and on the blade layer is the small screwdriver. That's different. Washer from the XXL, which I flattened on one side, scissors, hook, and corkscrew complete this one-handed knife. Very practical. What do you think? Where's the glare? There you go. Have a nice day. All the best. Take care.